Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have our 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300. Obviously competing with the Audi A4, BMW 3 Series. C300 is Mercedes' entry into the luxury midsize sedan segment. Absolutely love it. One thing that's really surprising me with this is how smooth everything is. You have LED high performance headlights. The ride, the overall comfort of everything. Everything is smooth as glass, and that's what I was looking for. All right, 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, 255 horsepower, 270 pound-feet of torque, 4MATIC system, of course. This one has the 9-speed automatic. Total retail price new of $47,375. Nice. Polar white over silk beige. Yeah, honestly, this is really impressive. Performance is great. Now, I'm driving it in Sport Plus. I always drive the cars in their sportiest settings. That way everything's consistent. Sometimes I'll change about the modes. So the suspension, steering, everything is in its sportiest setting. But still, this is extremely comfortable. I've sat here, driven it for a lap to warm everything up, get used to it. And honestly, it's like driving a cloud. It's so comfortable. These seats are phenomenal. You do have a leg extension, which is huge for me. I love leg extensions. Wish my Challenger had them, because they just make it a lot more comfortable. Now, while everything is smooth, including steering, it is super smooth. Every input is great. Some people might interpret that as being numb. That's not the case. This is smooth exactly when you want it to be. If you were down a back road on some on-ramps, off-ramps, really starting to push the pace a little bit, steering weight's up nicely. You do have a good amount of feedback, I've found. And it actually is not bad. So that is impressive, to say the least. The fact that they've made it as smooth, without changing drive mode, smooth at lower speed, comfort driving, and also pretty dynamic once you start working your way towards the limits. Takes a lot to do that, but Mercedes pulled it off. See what I mean? It's just comfortable. Oh, what a highway cruiser, man. Wow. Oh yeah, this thing can cruise on highways. I honestly am surprised. I was like, do I drive this? Do I don't? You know, it's just like a middle of the road C-Class. Can't be that good. No, it's good. It's my first time driving this generation of C-Class. Although I've driven the C63S with a tune, so that's a whole different level. I've driven the C43 a couple times, but never a normal C-Class of this gen. My grandmother has an 04 or 06, one of the two, C240. Not nearly as good as this. Obviously, that's a couple generations different. It's the thing that kills me. It's like, oh yeah, we want to be treated like cars, but let's just run red lights. I don't get it. Not turning this into a cyclist rant, though. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.